There we go. Oh. Come on, get straight already. There we go. Straighten up. What the hell are you doing? Come on. What do you want? What do you want, dude? This is your plot to build on. Oh, fuck this. I'm gonna send him post. Is your to be U I L D on. Been hide spiders back online. Yay!
Behold, the spider is back online, my friend.
I'll stop freezing you. Oh, good. Where is he? There he is. You heard about it. Josh, come here. Read that. Read that, you idiot.
Yay!
Read this. This is your plot. God damn it! This is your plot. Read this, you tit.
That's right, karma tit.
Yeah, thank. Oh, fucking hell. God damn it, you little knob. Where's he gone? Where's the little fucker gone? Yeah, it has. Oh, for crying out loud, Josh, what the fuck? Josh. Come on. Come on. Read that. Yes. Thank you. It's fine. Oh, George, you sound. No. Oh wait, I know what he's doing. He's getting some more blocks. Okay, dude. I forgive. As long as you don't start griefing again or anything. Now, flipping out. There we go. You're a dick. You're an absolute dick. I can't believe you just did that. Oh wait, I see what you're doing. Oh, for crying out loud, Josh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Glitch. Get out. Thank you. What, Josh? What do you want? What do you want, dude? What's the matter? What's the matter, mate? What's the matter? Fuck you. I'm fucking booting you now. I've had enough. He's fine, he can just keep playing around. As long as you don't break any stuff, it's fine. Oh yeah. Fucking hell, dude, you shit. You're shit, you're shit, you're a total shit. You're a total shit. Yeah, you are. Total. You're a... Don't get in my way then! Idiot. Oh crap! That one's that one, that one's that one, that one's that one. Yeah dude, that looks pretty good now. We've got glass. Might get rid of that. Don't know. No, I know what to do. That can stay like that. Whoa, stop lagging. Proper lag spikes. There you go. we go.
Oh, damn.
You're an idiot.
Oh, what the hell?
I'm helping you. Yeah, see.
Oh, no, I accidentally placed the block in the wrong place. I wasn't talking to you.
Yeah, you better not be. Bitch. What the hell are you doing? Bitch, what are you doing? Come on. I was busy. Yes, stop it, you bellend.
Just the end, nope. But that's the fast way down.
Yeah, I'll be even faster in a minute. Get on with it. I'm sick and fed up of your lazy ass.
Who are you talking to?
You! I know it's sad. Go and place a block in. Retard, place block.
I'm here to put glass, right? Okay.
Oh, for crying out loud. No, like that. Now you place that block there. There. Then you do that one. And it goes there. And then you do that one. Well, I just try that. That. And that. There we go. Crap.
Okay, we've reached the top.
Damn, I just ran out of glass.
DandaREAPER.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna... Holy shit. Dude, look at all the spiders. Dude, come over here.
Come on. Whoa!
Holy
Yeah.
shit, dude. That is a damn battle arena.
It's time to come off.
Yeah, we'll do.
Holy shit.
Do that. Ah.
Damn. Alright, but I'm gonna get off for a little bit. I need to eat.
Me too.
Alright, what time do you wanna get back on?
Not today, I'm not going to be on today. Wait, no. Oh, I see what you did.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what's on now. Yeah. Just finishing this bit. There we go. So, oh wait, I can just do this. Nee. Oh. Neat, neat, neat. Oh. You stop me from doing that. Let's push that one. So that'll be like that, and then like that. Right, wrong one. Like that. There we go. And we've got a little passageway there. We stick some rope. Block shop, this should be no. Wrong one. Item shop. There we go. Why have I got ballast again? Really? Let's hope this rope goes to the end. Bomb. Yes! Perfect. Do that.
Oh yeah. Okay, you put a rope there. Cool.
Oh, I see what you've done. Why didn't you put sun there then? Dumbass. Go away. Don't like you. Don't like you. There we go. Ah, damn it. Get out. Thank you.
Alright, man, I'm gonna get off.
Yeah, what the hell, really? There we go. I look
I'm
better.
gonna be on tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll be on.
My favorite thing tomorrow, too.
Oh no, Thursday tomorrow, ain't it?
Huh?
Thursday tomorrow, yeah. It's Friday today. Oh God, we got to 11 minutes. Wow. Someone literally just bored. I've had enough of Josh. Sorry, Josh, but you're going to get kicked. There you
Yeah,
go.
what is he even doing?
I don't know.
I think he was just greedy, just waiting.
My plot. Yeah. Plot for free.
Alright.
And he put my plot. I was like, oh, pudding. The fuck? Really? Come on, let's get back to the spawn area.
talk to you tomorrow.
Let's get back to spawn area, then you're safe. If you get back to spawn, you're gonna get killed in a minute. Oh crap, I ain't got. Eat that. Eat that.
DandaREAPER. Danda.
What? Yeah. Go into spawn spot and then die.
I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay?
Yeah. Where is he?
Yeah.
Idiot. Yeah. Come on then, beneath spider, we'll go to spawn area. Look! Look! Ready? Look, hammer. I'm safe. He's safe. Come on then. Oh. Yeah, you ready? Save. I'm going. Yes, you, yeah. Please comment. Ow. Oh crap. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you want to subscribe. You can join this server. It'll be on. It won't be on Fridays because I'm at work Fridays, but on at most other days it's on. My name is DandaREAPER, as you can see, DandaREAPER. So, yeah, and that's some creep. That's it. Yeah, yeah. Hey! What did you have? You had your arrows. Really? Oh, I don't want your arrow. Just I'll just put a chest down and put all my stuff in. As long as you don't try and decide to break my chest, I will be angry and then kill you. Oh crap, wrong one. There we go. enough chest for you. There we go. How many arrows have you got? There you go. Oi, get out of my chest. Get out of my chest. Give me my hammer back. I ain't got a hammer back. Give me my hammer. Give me my hammer. Give me my hammer. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, nothing in there anymore. Your chest. That's your chest. Hello. All your stuff is in that chest. I think I've got another thing of yours. Yeah, ladders. What can't you get in there? Multiplayer permission. Oh yeah, it's not even. It's got nothing. Why was that like that then? There you go, dude. Your stuff behind you. So I will give you some more stuff. You had. Didn't have. Okay, you ready? I think I've got to change. I'll have to update that in a minute. Update that soon. Because it's still got just DandaREAPER vertical bar behind spider. What? You're an idiot. Ready? Come in. Spawn area. So we're safe. Ready? Safe. Stop.